screen that I'm going to share. The assignment looks like this.
We designed our termly assembly program to focus on developing students' growth mindset. Instead of having students passively listening to our assembly talks in the school hall, we asked ourselves, what can we do to better engage our students? Our solution was moving the assembly program into the classrooms and using SLS. In this way, during the assembly program, students could participate actively in interactive activities.
The learning activities during the assembly program helped me develop a growth mindset to try new things even if I might fail at first.
In one of the learning activities, we had the opportunity to create a video about our learning points. Creating my own video helped me understand the lesson better because I had to explain what I had learned in my own words. The entire level shared their videos on SLS, and it was fun watching others' videos and getting comments on what we have posted.
It was heartening when students could share that they were able to utilize the Resilience Learning Aid framework to come up with helpful ways to overcome challenges. The heat map and data assistant in SLS are powerful tools to assess students' learning. For example, the heat map gives us a visual overview of student engagement. We could instantly see which students might be experiencing difficulties and which activities are taking longer than expected.
The data assistant showed me that a few of my students were giving similar responses about handling failure, so I could quickly facilitate a follow-up discussion to provide timely support to ensure that every student benefits.
I'm usually quiet in class, but with SLS, I feel safe to write down my thoughts and share ideas without feeling pressured.
By leveraging technology to engage students during the assembly program, we observe greater engagement of students and better internalization of learning objectives.